Well, right now we're going to the dentist to spend money on bullshit. Broke a tooth this morning eating fucking popcorn, bro. Popcorn, dude. So aggravating. We're talking like 1,200 bucks. All money that would have went into something else. Ain't that life, y'all? Who else here had plans for money that now is going somewhere else? This thing's telling me to turn right here, but it ain't telling me to sit at that light. So the other day I was talking about having to go to the dentist because I bit down on a popcorn kernel and broke one of my teeth. That was yesterday. So they took my tooth out and this is what I look like today. Nice, huh? Yeah, dude. Like half a chipmunk face over here. Look at this thing. They said, oh, you'll have a little bit of swelling. And then I woke up and walked by a mirror and was like, Jesus, dude, look at my face. Oh, look what they did to my face. Oh, my goodness. They said I got 4 days of looking like this. So there might not be any videos this weekend. Or at least there might not be any videos next weekend. I got a video made for this weekend, but there might not be one for next weekend because I don't know that I'm going to go anywhere looking like this, dude. So love you guys. Oh, and be careful when you're eating popcorn.